Have you ever wondered how creators turn a messy, hour-long recording into a full month of viral content without spending all day at a desk? You have probably seen those slick, high-energy ads on Instagram that feel like mini-movies with their crisp product shots and buttery motion. Big brands figured out this simple formula to scale, but the real secret is that this same concept works even better when you repurpose your own webinars, podcasts, or tutorials. That is exactly where a tool like Vizard comes into play to handle the heavy lifting for you. We are going to break down the psychology of why those ads work, and then I will walk you through exactly how to get that same cinematic energy from your raw long-form footage. By the end of this, you will understand how to make your channel look professional without ever hiring an expensive film crew or renting a fancy studio space. There are 3 core elements that make an ad truly irresistible: the attention grabber, the surreal moment, and the intentional motion pacing. First, you need an attention grabber, like a high-impact frame or a punchy line that instantly stops the scroll in its tracks. For product ads, that means a perfect studio shot, but for your repurposed clips, it means finding those 2 to 6 seconds where the host says something truly electric. Second, you need a surreal or memorable moment, like a sudden jaw-dropping statistic or an awkwardly funny exchange that sticks in the viewer's mind. Third, you need motion and pacing, which means using smooth speed ramps and subtle camera movements to make your raw webcam recording feel like a high-end production. Okay, let's jump into the practical side by taking a raw 90-minute live stream file and transforming it into a full week of vertical content. Step 1 is simple. Upload your raw video file directly into Vizard and let the tool do the initial heavy lifting of scanning the footage. You do not need a fancy camera for this, because Vizard is analyzing the video for emotional peaks, natural breaks, and those meaningful questions that your audience cares about. Step 2 is the magic button, where you select the viral clips preset and tell the software whether you want an educational, funny, or inspirational tone. In mere seconds, it pulls out the clips with the highest potential to perform, automatically cropping them vertically and framing them for platforms like TikTok or Reels. Pro tip: do not stress about perfection on the first pass, as the goal is to let the AI handle the hunting while you focus purely on the creative storytelling. Step 3 is picking your winners and applying a style, choosing between options like crisp and premium, or quick and edgy to match your brand's voice. You can use the built-in volume normalization and background noise reduction to ensure your audio sounds just as polished as your visuals. If you want to get really fancy, you can use subtle pan and zoom options to make static webcam shots feel dynamic and alive. Step 4 involves making variations, which is the secret to scaling, because you can test which hook or caption performs best with your audience. Try leading with a bold promise in one version, and then try a step-by-step tease in another to see exactly what makes people stop scrolling. Step 5 is auto-scheduling, and this is where you stop the chaos of manual posting and actually start building a consistent brand presence. Vizard lets you drag and drop your clips into a content calendar so you can see how your profile grid will look before it ever goes live. Step 6 handles your captions and hashtags, which saves you from that dreaded blank screen paralysis when you are trying to post. It even formats your export so that the subtitles are perfectly placed and the size is native for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Step 7 is tracking your success, where you analyze the data to see which hooks and styles are actually driving engagement. Then you just rinse and repeat the process on your next long-form video, using the data to predict exactly what your audience wants to see next. Why does Vizard win here? Because other tools are built for single product mockups, whereas Vizard is specifically engineered for the messy reality of long-form repurposing. It cuts down the hours of busy work. No more exporting, manual trimming, or switching between 5 different apps to get one clip ready. The trade-off is minor, as you might get fewer animation controls than a high-end motion design studio, but for the vast majority of creators, the time saved is worth its weight in gold. Let me give you a quick case study. I took a 75-minute live stream and extracted 18 clips, eventually turning them into 15 posts that I scheduled over 2 weeks. My engagement literally doubled compared to when I was manually posting, which just proves that repurposing is the ultimate cheat code for growth. Keep your editing elegant, and remember that simplicity is often premium. Let the hook breathe, use soft background sounds, and don't over-animate the text. If you are doing this as a service for clients, Vizard is a total godsend because it lets you present a ready-to-post calendar that looks incredibly strategic. Think about product launches, where you turn a single demo into a sequence of teasers and feature highlights without needing an extra production day. Or think about your personal brand, where a single webinar can effectively fuel months of social media posts, keeping you visible while you sleep. Automation does not kill your creativity. It just removes the grunt work so you can finally focus on the storytelling that actually matters. If you want to build a content machine, you have to get out of the manual editing trap and start letting the right tools work for you. So grab a long video from your drive, let Vizard do the heavy lifting, and go see how much your growth accelerates when you work smarter.